Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Maharani, but you can call me Rani. Manager, English Department. I will explain about how to pronounce the sounds in pronunciation. Happy watching. Okay, I will explain part 1 about English vowel sound. Unit 1, the sound E. The sound E is easy to pronounce. To make it simply, open your mouth very slightly and make a noise. It does not sound like a format, and it isn't. And the voice make a sound. See figure. Example, a go and a fact. Unit 2, the sound E. To make the E sound, lower your jaw slightly. The lips are relaxed and are about 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter apart. The sound is short. See figure. Example, symbol and gym. Unit 3, the sound U. This vowel is formed by keeping the jaw slightly open. The lips are 1/4 inch, 6 millimeter apart and push outward to make an open circle. See figure. Example, bull and blue. Next, unit 4, the sound E. To make your lips, set your mouth 3/8 inch or 1 centimeter apart within your lips into a big smile. See figure. The sound is long. Go to silent to be sure it is long enough. Example, honey and people. The next, unit 5, the sound U. To make the U sound, keep the mouth slightly open and the lips 3/8 inch or 1 centimeter apart. The lips are tense and push forward into a small circle. See figure. The sound is long. Example, who and do. Next, unit 6, the sound ew. The ew sound is a combination of the sound E and U. The lips are 3/8 inch or 1 centimeter apart. Begin wide, the lips spread into a big smile, then push them forward into a circle. See figure. The sound is short. Simple, music and beauty. Unit 7, the sound A. To make this sound, keep the mouth slightly open. Wipe lips about 3/8 inch or 1 centimeter apart. See figure. The sound is short. Example, up and love. Unit 8, the sound A. This sound, lower your jaw slightly. The lips are bent and spread outward in a half smile, about 1/2 inch or 1,3 centimeter apart. See figure. The sound is short. Example, step, many. Unit 9, the sound O. To pronounce O, Wide your lips about 1/2 inch or 1,3 cm apart. Round them into a circle. Begin the sound, then move your lips into a smaller circle. See figure. Sound is long. Example, over and 0. Unit 10. The sound oi. The oi sound is a combination of two sounds beginning wide O and the ending in E. The lips set about 1/2 inch or 1,3 cm apart. Begin in a circle. See figure. The sound is long. Example, boy and toy. The next unit 11. The sound L. To make it sound, keep your jaw held wide open. The lips are 1/2 inch or 1,3 cm apart. Tense your lips and form a wide downward smile. Begin the sound and move your lips close together into the E position. See figure. The sound is long. Example, run and pause. Next, unit 12. The sound A. This is a combination of sound. Wet your lips in the first position of L about 1/2 inch or 1,3 cm apart and wide. Then slowly widen them into an upward smile, forming E. See figure. Count to silent to be sure the sound is long. A noun. Example, day and why. Unit 13. The sound O. To make the vowel sound O, drop your jaw until the lips are 3/8 inch or 1,5 cm apart. Tense your lips and round, then forward halfway. See figure. The sound is long. Example, off and all. Unit 14. The sound I. To make this sound, keep your lips 3/8 inch or 1,5 cm apart and form a half smile. Wide, tense lips. See figure. The sound is short. Example, back and tag. Unit 15. The sound I. See figure. The sound is long. Example, house and bow. Unit 16. The sound A. Sound is short, but take us a little longer because your mouth is open so wide. See figure. Example, father and dog. Unit 17. The sound I. This is a long sound. See figure. Example, pie and I.